Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Kaur. In our previous videos, we have already completed our first chapter, that is on equality. So today in this video, we will start with our second chapter of civics, that is role of government in health. So please keep your books in front of you. So, in order to start with this chapter, we will first understand the meaning of government and health. So, what is the meaning of government? The group of people with the authority to govern a country or a state, a particular ministry in office. So they are group of people who has the power to rule a country. For example, your prime minister, health minister, education minister, chief minister, railways minister, all these ministers, they all form a part of government. Another is the meaning of health. Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. Okay? So, in this video, we will study the meaning of health and the factors which affect our health. As the name of the chapter is role of government in health, so from this chapter we will understand that what is the role of government in health, the contribution of government in health. As we live in a democratic country, it is the responsibility of the government to help and work for the people. For example, the government works for the people by providing safe drinking water, supply of electricity, construction of roads and bridges, running government schools, providing health services, providing transport facilities, providing public transport facilities, etc. So, in this chapter, we will mainly study the role of government in health, how the government is looking after the health department, what facilities they provide, and also those areas where they lack. So, the first topic starts with the meaning of health. Underline these lines. So, health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. Okay, so this paragraph says that it asks us a question. They ask us that this paragraph is asking us one very important question. It is asking us that government sets up hospitals, they employ doctors, they employ nurses, but is the job of government done with this? Is the job of government done in providing health care? The answer is no, because there are many other things that the government has to think about and work on. And these factors are very important, that without these factors, health cannot be possible. So, which are those factors? Even the factors which I am going to talk here, that is drinking water, pollution free environment. If you look at these pictures given on your book, you will understand that there are so many pictures. Can you see this one lady with the spots? She is having some maybe problem of water. She may have to travel, walk a long distance to get water. So all these pictures will help you out to understand the factors which are affecting health. These slum areas, right? So let's start with the factors. Okay, factor number 1 is safe drinking water. We need safe, clean, pollution free water. Another says that is pollution free environment, which is another factor which says that for any person to remain healthy, the environment should be healthy, it should be pollution free. Third point says sanitation, which means a clean environment. That means the locality, the area in which we live, it should be clean and there should not be garbage problem. Proper drainage system should be there. Okay. And third is saying getting proper food. It means that we must get proper food, proper nutrition in order to stay healthy and do our daily work, because we all need food, right? We all need food to live, and we all know that food provides us with energy, and getting proper food will make us healthy and fit. Another important factor is stress. That means we must live a life stress free. Okay, if you have all these facilities but mentally you have lot of tensions and worries, you will not be healthy. Okay, so we need to understand that health is very important. Mental health and physical health, they both are equally important. Done. Now go to page number 21. Here you will see a box in your book. So there are four points on each side. So the heading is healthcare in India. Okay, so what we will do, first we will start with the left hand side 4 points, and after this we will go to the right hand side's 4 points. So on the left hand side, just write down the heading as bad. Sorry, not bad, write down the heading as good. These are 4 points starting from here. India has the largest. This is point number 1, then 2, 3, 4. So these are some good points which are talking about good aspects of healthcare in India. So first point says that India is having good number of doctors, and every year 15,000 new doctors qualify. And second point says healthcare facilities have grown up. Okay, they have grown up. For example, in 1950 there were only 2717 hospitals in India. In 1991 it rose to 11,174, and in 2000 it has gone up to 18,218, and now it is 2020. That means the number has gone high. Okay, third point says that there are some hospitals in India where people from other countries come to get treatment. This is such a good thing, right? Fourth point says India is the third producer of medicines, and also it is a large exporter of medicines. So what is the meaning of exporter? It means that India is making medicines and they are also supplying to other countries. Now move to the next column, this side. So give the heading as bad, right? So it number 1 point says that most of the doctors in India, they prefer to settle in urban areas. Urban areas means cities. So people who live in rural areas, that means in villages, they have to travel long distance to get treatment, and less medical facilities is available in rural areas. Second point says 5 lakh people die due to TB, and over 2 million cases of malaria are found in India. Third point says half of the children in India, they do not get sufficient food to eat and are undernourished. As you must have studied in science also, that for a good health, for proper growth and development, we need to have balanced diet and nutritious food. And last point says clean drinking water is not available to all, due to which people suffer from diarrhea, worms and other diseases. Is it clear? These four points on both the sides. Now go to this paragraph. Okay, you can also underline, you should also underline important points. So it says that this paragraph says that to prevent and treat illness, we need healthcare facilities and healthcare workers. These resources are very important. Now see, hospital does not mean that there is a building and outside it is written hospital. No, that is not a hospital. Hospital needs to have so many resources. There has to be doctors, there has to be nurses, there has to be laboratories, ambulance service should be there, blood bank should be there, nurses should be there, qualified doctors should be there, and other health professionals are also required who can give advice, who can diagnose and treat illness. The government is running public health services to look after people and provide health care. Is it clear to everyone? So what did we do in our first chapter? Meaning of government, meaning of health, factors. After that, these 2 boxes and these resources, that what are the resources that actually make up a hospital, right? Is it done? So this is done for today. In our next video, we will continue with other part of the chapter. So for now, thank you and stay safe.